كان chapter 1 هي mathematical modeling بدنا نبلش فيها as a general introduction what we need to do in this chapter. In this chapter, first I will introduce you the partial differential equation, which is the continuity equation, Navier-Stokes equation, heat transfer equation. Heat transfer equation is two equations, the energy equation and the temperature equation inside this heat transfer equation. And then we will I will introduce the Lambert-Beer equation, the complete equation of the Lambert-Beer, and the Arrhenius equation and the mass transfer equation. Okay. Some of this equation I will show you how can we build the model or from the energy balance or mass balance or flow balance of the fluid. Okay, we can rebuild the mathematical equation of the phenomenon. Okay, other equation, no, I will give you the equation directly because we don't have time to do the same thing for all equations. Okay, you understand?
Yep.
Okay. Then after building the equations, I give you the initial and boundary conditions, and I will let you know how can we create the boundary conditions. Okay, and how can we link this boundary condition and initial condition to the mathematical equations in order to have a complete mathematical model. Okay, and all these things are in this chapter. Then if you are working in Cartesian coordinate, so how can we transform this Cartesian coordinate to cylindrical coordinate, or from cylindrical and spherical coordinate to Cartesian coordinate, and how can we linearize our equations in a paragraph called the variable change. Then after putting all these equations and the initial and boundary conditions in good variables, and when the model will be complete, then I need to understand what the dimensionless numbers is, and how can we put these dimensionless numbers into the mathematical equations. Dimensionless modeling or dimensionless transformation of the whole parameters of the equation. And in this case, I will obtain something called dimensionless equations. Okay, and when I have the dimensionless equation, okay, then I can solve this equation via computer or by using a finite difference scheme, finite element scheme, or finite volume scheme. So in this chapter, we start from the mathematical modeling to the dimensionless equation. Okay, and I will show you step by step how can we do this calculation. Okay.
Okay.
Good. So I will start with the partial differential equations, and firstly with the continuity equation or the chemical reactions equation. From the mass conservation equation or the mass balance, we can write this equation: flux in plus generated flux equal flux out plus storage flux. مين ما بيعرف هذه الايكويشن؟ حدا هيعمل الماس بالانس او انرجي بالانس منكم اخذينها قبل بمره بس تعرف اخذينا شيء
غريبه بس ما بعرف اذا هيك دغري.
مثلا energy in plus energy generated equal energy out plus energy stored or accumulated.
بلا اكيد قطع معنا.
كل شيء في partial differential equation are started from this kind of balance of energy balance, flux balance, mass balance, etc. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. separately. So you need to follow me step by step. Let me know if I can write minutes. Okay. Oh, good. Then my pencil. Do you see the?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay, good. Here we have a form or square form or what? Something, a box. Okay. هيدي البوكس شو فيها؟ في عنا flow or fluid flow, okay, coming in from this face. Okay. عم تشوفوا الفلاش? Do you see?
Yeah, yes, yes.
Here we have O. From O we have 3 faces. مظبوط؟ أول face this one. Second face هيدي الفيس اللي عم بيفوت منها الفلو. mass flow يلي هي of species A. هلا species A يعني شو ما تكون species A فيها تكون water. أنا water coming from this face and it's coming also from this face. Do you see the second face?
Yeah.
And it's coming also from the third face which is linked to O. هي الفيس الخلفانية يعني. ايه
بس في حدا عم بيجرب يفوت، اذا فيك تعمل له ادمت على الميتينج بليز.
انا ما بين عندي ليش؟
يمكن لانه عامل سكرين شيرنج في هذا
ايه طيب فيكم تغيروا هلا انا اذا غيرتوني ما بقعد
فينا نعطيك بيرميشن تعمل سكرين شير بلا عاد.